Alright, in this example we are solving equations, multi-step equations that happen to have fractions involved with it. Alright, so if you feel a little bit like this guy and you're unsure how to do a problem like the one above, you can watch this video and practice it and see if you can get a better understanding of the situation. So, like in class, take a look at your notes. If you look at your notes, it's going to tell you that you're going to look at this, and I have this fraction that, yes, I very well could distribute it, but what I could do that would make my life a little easier is to go ahead and multiply by its reciprocal. Because really what you're doing is you're going to divide by this, and dividing by fractions, well, that's easy as pie. Flip the second and multiply, right? So if I go and multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction, the 5 and 5 cross cancel, so do the 3 and the 3, and that's leaves you with 2x plus 8 equals, and then you worry about this other side. I can do some more cross canceling. 1 and 8, 8 and 3, so 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 8 6 times, and then 6 times 5 is going to give me my answer, which is 30. At this point, now it's down left to a two-step equation. I can subtract my constant on both sides. I get 2x is equal to 22, and at which point I'm going to divide by 2, and I find out that x is equal to 11. Okay, and then you go back and check your work. All right, go to the next one. All right, so here again, once again, I have this fraction out front. I'm going to go ahead and multiply by its reciprocal on both sides of the equation. All right, so the 9's cross cancel, the 2's cross cancel. That leaves me with just 4y minus 2. On this other end, we'll do some cross canceling, the 4 and the 2, and I'm left with 18 on this side. Okay, so here's my variable. I've got a negative 2 as a constant, so let me get rid of that first by adding 2 to both sides. If I do that, I get 20 is equal to 4y, and at which point I will now divide by my coefficient, and I get 5 as my answer. And then you can go back and check your work. Okay? Alright, so I've got one more for you. Try this one out. Feel free to pause the video, try it on your own first, and then check to see the answer. Alright, so working slowly, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction. Allows me to eliminate my fraction. I get 3 plus 2n left over. On this other end, I'm going to do some cross canceling, and I'm left with 55. Okay, so here is my variable term, and I see there's a constant here of 3, so I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. Bring this down, I get 2n, this crosses out, equals 52. And then last but not least, I'm going to divide by my coefficient, which is 2, and that's going to leave me with my answer, which is 26. And then you go back and check your work. Okay? Hopefully that was helpful for you. Feel free to restart the video and watch it and see if that'll help you out. Okay.